okay. So before we get started, can you arrange yourselves in a straight so that all your oxygens will bring down your feet. So before we get started, I am Robinson and Glory, or you can call me Sir Rob, like that. If you have any questions, you can ask me directly. Just raise your hands. Okay? Understood? Okay. So before we get started our lesson, please can I have a volunteer to lead the prayer? Yes, can you lead the prayer to the class? Wait, stand up, class. Hello. You may not take your seat. Nangaon na mo? Nangaon na mo? Nangaon nga, wala. So sige lang, ang mangaon, busog na. Hindi pa mangaon, according to psychology, you can gain more knowledge if you feel that your head is have some air. So parang butang. Kasi ma-absorb mo yung mga knowledge na na-learn mo in the classroom or while you are studying. So according to psychology, but for me it is also effective. That's all I do. So anyway, so in our subject, we call it Afro-Asian. In your subject distinction, it is an Afro-Asian, right? Afro-Asian, grade 8. So way back in your previous lesson, do you have already your contemporary in grade? What you call this, grade 11 or 12? Contemporary world? Yes, right? Contemporary world. Contemporary world pa rin na ito. Okay. History. Okay. Thank you so much for your answer. Do you know this? Do you tackle this? Do you have discussed this in your previous subjects or in your previous grades? Philippine. Can you read it? Okay. In Philippine literature, we all know that in the Philippines, we've colonized by 3 nations, right? Or by 3 from different countries. We can say 3 emperors, like that, 3 monarchies. We have this. Who is the first colonizers here in the Philippines? We have the one.
Spaniard.
Okay, Spain. Or what we call
Spaniard.
Spaniards. Okay, Spaniards. So Spaniards, or what we call the colonial period, first colonial period here in the Philippines, has been colonized in the Philippines, and it bring their influence in terms in religion and literature. So, do you know what is the first religious writing that is implemented here in the Philippines? First literature book, religious book.
China.
Japan. It is the American. American great influence here in the Philippines in terms of what? E. Start from letter E. Pwede naman English. The language is English. But this is about education. So mostly in the Americans, they open a public school. So in every 3 kilometers from the center, from every barangay, if a barangay is already implemented, every 3 kilometers per barangay, let's say, there is a public school. So that's in America. And also, in terms of literature, they are more on what? We have letter N. Novel. Sino dito nagbabasa ng Wattpad? Sino kilala si John Knox? Si Cecily? Wala? So yan, older
Classmate.
novels, short story like that, ganito na lang, journal. So dati, marami nang nagagawa ng newspaper. But some newspapers Philippine newspapers are banned during Americans because it is what? Against sila sa Americans. So that is why. So next, third, let's pass third list. We have the what? J. Jason. Sino man? Yun. That what? Japanese? Okay, Japanese. Very good. So we have the Japanese. So sino yung nagsagot? Siya no? Okay, you have a prize. Diretso lang.
Surprise.
Thank you for So during the Japanese series, baka pera yan, 20 pesos. During Japanese period, where the two literatures, literary types, which is the Tanaga and Haiku. So yan, Tanaga, di Tana. Tanaga and Haiku. Yan na influence sa Japanese period, during Japanese period. So yun lang. Yan lang yung discuss sa Philippine literature, although there's an extended, which is the post-EDSA, EDA pre-colonial. Sa pre-colonial naman, dyan ay mga si Malakas at si Maganda. Diba? Alam niyo yun? Malakas at si Maganda. Okay. So yan. That's the Philippine literature. So, but before anything else, I will just let you show a picture and then can you tell me what do you observe in the picture? Got it? Okay. So, yeah. They have this. So, ano yung mga pinagkaiba nila? Based lang sa nakikita niyo. Yes, you. What's your name? What's your name? Last name. Basta yun. Sige. Can you tell me the differences between these pictures? Based on your what you see. Ano lang nakikita?
About sa pag ng about sa tipo nila sir, pag yan ay pamahiin ng paggawa ng paggawa
Good na. Okay. So thank you for your participation. Still, okay, anything? Yes. Can you share? What's your last name?
Sulaiman po.
Sulaiman. Okay, Sulaiman, can you differentiate?
For me, as my observation, different tradition each country and also each tribe
Culture.
may ibang
Sabi mo culture. Different culture.
Thank you, Miss Sulaiman. Okay, thank you, Mr. Monsieur. Okay. So all of you guys think that based on what their characterization, right? Alright? So yung iba sa pagmamano, yung iba sa mga countries, different countries, yung iba din sa mga traditions nila, like that. So based on these pictures, you got the right answer. So there are differences in terms of practices. So meaning, tinuturo yan sa kanila from their ancestors or from their grandmothers, great-grandmothers, from the last generations or what we call the new generations. So do you think this is still applicable today?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. That is because, it is not just because paulit-ulit na lang nila ginawa, but also it is a way of them that it is a respectful way to show, and also to show what your, yes, traditions. Okay, traditions. Get some, another. Yes. Literature, almost. Religion, there's twist. Nandiyan, of course. Saan? Sino pa? Last one. Sige, diversity and characteristics. So, based on your answers, that is all correct. So, pero ang our topic for today is about Afro-Asian literature. Okay, about Afro-Asian literature. So, ano lang siya. Pero about siya sa mga sinasabi nyo, like cultural, traditions, but in what? Where?
Africa and Asia.
Africa, who said that? What?
Africa and Asia.
Correct. It is in Ganyan na lang. Sir Tatiano. Okay. Are you surprised, sir? Mr. Who's your last name? What? Suliba. Thank you for okay. So, in Afro-Asia, we have here. Very traditional muna tayo. Dito na lang para makita natin. Can someone read to the class of Afro-Asia? Yes, Mr. Sige na, ikaw na. Read lang.
Afro-Asian literature is spoken of written in the Canadian sources and the short stories and poems by people from Africa and Asia.
Okay lang. Afro-Asian, from the word Afro-Asian, someone said it is a work, literary works that located from Africa and Asia. So, in this subject, we are going to explore what are the literary works or short story or novels or poetry that is from different countries in Africa and Asia. And what are these two continents have a differences and what are their relationships? So, a lot of research said that they have a what? The same practices. Sabi nga nila, sa Africa nga, nag-respect sila ng elders like kung ano yung payo ng mga grandfathers o grandmothers, sinusunod talaga nila. Ganun naman din sa Asia, di ba? Mga Pilipino.
Yes, sir.
Pilipino tayo. So, mga Pilipino. So, in the Philippines, meron tayong tinatawag ng pagmamano. Meron din tayong tawag na pagmamana. Okay, sa pagmamana, lahat ng mga ari-arian mo, minamana mo sa mga, like sa mga apo, sa mga siblings mo, like, sa pagmamana naman, meron din tayo na, like, it's showing respect to our elders. So, parang pagkakalimutan natin magmano sa mga magulang natin, eh, parang, like, feel natin it is disrespectful, right? Yes. So, that is also shown in the Africa, like, based sa mga story nila, like, napanood nyo na ba ito? Black Panther?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In Black Panther, di ba, paano nila ini-inherit yung power ni T'Challa, yung tatay niya, di ba? Di ba, bro? Ano yung dinidrink niya? I forgot that. Dugo. Yung parang yung dugo, di ba? Parang kinachap-chap. This is a general writing. Okay. When we say general writing in prose, what you say is what you write. Kung ano yung sinasasalita ko dito, kung magsusulat ako ng essay, yun lang sasabihin ko. I will not do any artistic, like beautiful words, like mga jargons. So I will not do that. I will just general, in my opinions, hindi na ako magsikot-sikot. So that is what is prose. So it is also applied to any short stories or any poetry. Basta yung writing niya lang is not really artistic ako. Okay? Parang ano lang siya. Like, maintindihan lang kahit bata, maintindihan lang. Okay? So yun lang. What is poetry? Can someone read Mr.
Poetry is a form of creative writing that uses language in a structured and imaginative way to evoke emotions, ideas, and experiences. With a pen, employs written, rhyme, and figurative language like singing.
When we say poetry, it is the what? Opposite of prose. Okay. In poetry, we call this Creative writing. Creative writing. Ganyan na lang. Okay, nandito na kayo. Creative writing. Creative writing means you are evoking your emotions in different ways. So, paano mo ba siya mag-feel? If you feel really broken-hearted, tapos nag-write ka ng mga poetry, di ba? There are some authors na gumagamit sila ng mga deeper words. Diba? Para naman ma-feel ng mga readers that ganito pala, ano siya, tama pala siya sa totoong buhay. So, gano'n yun. So, gano'n yung parang atake sa readers. Magsasabi talaga sila, ganun pala writing. You are just using your own words. What you speak is what you write. Okay, ulit. What prose is A, what you speak is what you write. In poetry, it is A, creative writing. Okay, oral, figurative language, artistic expression. So, before we proceed to our next discussion, can you tell me what is the picture? Diyan sa si Avatar, baka sabihin nyo, what can you see in the picture based on what you observation lang? Ano nang yung based on it? Sino? Si ano? Yang tipo na tapa? Yang nakano? Sa gitna? Yan. Sige, ano nakikita mo sa picture? Ano lang, what can you see in the picture? Buddha, yun lang. Buddha lang. Kasi, sino pa? Ano na inikita nyo? Okay, si Kuya ulit. Yes. Ano lang? What you can see in the picture? Sige lang. Okay, sir. Next, last one. Sir, po sir. Natay nila yung rayo. Nasa puno yung lalaki. Nakapon ng lalaki. Thank you so much. So last ulit si sir.
Sa akin ka na lang mag-ano. Ako magbigay sa'yo sa question. Umay.
Okay, thank you so much for your observation. Based on the picture, but first, we will discuss this first, this type of literature of the literary type. Someone read the first paragraph. Yes.
Parcha characterizes the compilation of interwoven series of tales in prose and poetry was the animal. The book was compiled in Sanskrit, Hindu, and Pali.
Okay, thank you. What's your Okay, so when we say Panchatantra, it is a interwoven series of tales. Do you have any idea what is interwoven series of tales? Is paano na ba tayo ng Marvel movies? Are you familiar with Avengers Endgame, Avengers Infinity War, right? Okay, so those examples are part of interwoven series of tales. So meron yan silang one storyline which is the Infinity Saga. So sa Infinity Saga, dyan yung malolocate yung hint point, ano ba use ng mga, what you call this, Infinity Stones. So, stories. In Pachacatra stories, there is a one, dito na lang ulit. There is a one main story timeline. So, sa loob ng main story timeline, meron yan siya ganyan-ganyan. Mga tales. So, dito, sabihin natin, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Avengers, Hulk, Thor, ganyan. So, ganyan ulit. So, ang tale, kahit makuno yan siya, walang problema. Basta yung story nila, connect yan sila. So, there is only a one main story timeline. One purpose. One moral story, one causes the events. Parang ganun yung atake. So, ganun yung short explanation. So, that is Panchatantra. So, parang chop-chop lang yan siya ng story. Chop. Ito na naman si, turtle. Ano yun? Turtle and the monkey and the turtle. Ant-Man and the grasshopper. Like that. Talagang mo. So, they are more on animal fables. So, more on moral story. Diba? Okay. Depende. So, that is a Panchatantra. They are more written in Sanskrit, Hindu, and Pali Buddhist. So, if you're familiar with this, Sanskrit, Pali, Hindu, and Buddhist. Para sa inyo, anong country yan siya? Korea. China, Thailand, Japanese, Indonesia, Korea. Pero you forgot one country. Ano ba? So, as you can see, translations, adaptations and translations, the mutations. So, meaning, yes. Sige lang. Adaptations and translations. The Panchatantra, so as you have, if you have seen, pag may nakikita kayo Panchatantra sa internet or sa library like that, tapos it is in English version, that is not the original. So parang rephrase siya, na-translate lang siya, pero yung story timeline niya, yung flow ng story is still the same. The language used lang hindi. That is because in Panchatantra, ganito yung mga text. Like that. In Hindu or Buddhist, in Pali or Sanskrit, ganyan yung text nila. So meaning, only the native Indians can understand all the stories in the Panchatantra. So, yung mga nakikita yung Panchatantra sa mga English versions, those are the mutations and translations only. So, you get it? And also, it attributed by Pandit Vishnu Sharma. So, he's a literary prominent from India. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes. So, 1, 2, 3. This is the group 1. And 1, 2, 3, group 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, group 3. So, 1, 2, 3, group 4. Okay. So now, can you I will be giving you a picture. It is a prominent figure, a cultural image, and a literary work came from different countries. From Africa and Asia. So, what you're going to do is, ipipaste nyo, this will be your guide. Sa pag-analyze if it is part of Africa or part of Asia. Do you understand? Yes, sir. Okay. So, this is the first group. Okay, guys. Can you present this to one? Can you give your answer? Isa lang, isa. Okay guys, time's up. Time's ano yung kasama niya? Likod niya, ABC. Sino siya? Bakit sabi siya ko ba? This is Singaporean dramatist. So, meaning Singaporean, dito na siya sa Singapore. So next. Ano siya? May in charge. This is so this is a Sanskrit. Saan yung Sanskrit? Ano country? India. Uy, Philippines. Uy, Philippines. So the language is from Philippines. Correct. South Korea, wag North Korea. South Korea tayo. And then this is from China. Okay? Thank you for your we have our last activity. So, our last activity, I will be giving you a short story individually, and then I will give you around 5 minutes to analyze the short story based on the guided questions. Do you understand? Okay. Meron dyan kulang. Basta, yung guided questions yun doon, what is your book? 3. So your question is number 3. Yun. And anong grupo kayo? Group 2. So your question is number 2. Yun lang. And then what number mo? So your question is
Hello, thank you. Ay, bakit maliliit? Thank you po. Alam niyo na sa nilay na kayo.
sasabihin lang sila. Guys, only one representative to answer the question. So, you don't have to write, you just need to present your right. Ano nyo lang, sabihin nyo lang sa class. Okay? Sabihin nyo lang sa amin, explain nyo lang sa amin. Pag di nyo na kailangan sulatan. Okay, class? Alam nyo na yun, ang gusto ninyo. I-explain nyo lang sa amin based on the guided question. Explain ko ba yun? Dapat 100% natin. Yung isa is like only 100% natin. Number 1 only 100% natin.
assessment. Assessment. Meron pa? Hindi na. Pero ano mo lang, sabihin mo lang. Sabihin mo lang. Ganito, sabihin mo. Okay, for your assessment, you're going to answer from 1 to 5. Tapos cut na yun. Hindi na sila. Tapos sabihin mo, ganyan. So, okay, so, I will see you again in our next class. So, paano ba mag-end? Kasi, assignment wala yung ending.
Ano oras na? Para mag-ano na tayo.
Ibutang na to dito. Sobra ka na. Sa time.
Okay, class. Are you done? Okay, guys, time is running. So, okay, I guess group 1 will go first answer the first question. So, will be going to answer the question.
I think group 2 is ready. Nag-raise ng hand.
How about group 2?
Ay, group 3 pala.
Group 4, group 3. Okay, group 4. What's on? Okay guys, time is running out kasi so there are also
Ganito gawin. Okay, group 1, please stand up. Please, whether you're doing that or not, anything you are, ganun ba? Huwag mo na hintayin.
Iba kasi wala pang minutes. Wala pang 5.
Okay lang. Sobrang discussion.
okay, group 4, someone volunteer. Sino gusto mag-volunteer sa group 4? Stand up. Sige na, ikaw na. Sige na, volunteer. So what group are you? 4. Okay, so group 4 and you okay guys, listen. Someone stop.
Hindi ko siya marinig.
There are four persons. These three sir will find the lion is they're basic nila sir na kaya nilang buhay ng lion sir. Yung isa sir kaya niyang ayusin yung buto sir, tapos yung isa skate, tapos yung isa pagina sir. At pagkatapos sir, yung isa po nasa tulong sir, nag-advise sir na sabi kung buhay nila yung lion sir, pwede silang matayin, pero hindi na pwede matay. Kaya yung nabuhay, nabalik yung buhay ng lion sir, pinatay sila tatlo. Kaya yung tao sa taas sir, nakakit siya sir sa puno para makaiwas sa disruption.
Okay, very good. So, very good group number 4. Okay, you answered correctly. So, in every aspect, there is we call wisdom. So, knowledge is nothing without our decide whether kahit gaano ka pakamagaling, or ka honors, but if you're not wise in your decision, you end up dying. So, that's like in our lesson. So, for our next group, group 1,
Please stand up.
group 1. Guys, listen. Guys, listen.
First one is assemble the skeleton and is divided by its skin, flesh, and blood. And the third was that it on eating bread of
The lion makers. So there are four characters, four Brahmans. That meaning is the more knowledgeable. Okay? Matalino. Sobrang talino talaga. So ang other one is not. So ang meron lang yung isa, tuk. Okay, you give your answer. Or question guys, someone is coming guys. Yes, yes. What is now?
Where does the story take place? India.
Okay, how does the setting influence the events?
Scholarship is less than less. Therefore, intelligence and direct the scholarship in their life. Make a lion friendly life.
Okay, so thank you. So the setting again give our text to events. So do you know that in India, in the place of India, the culture in India, the more knowledgeable you are, the more superior you are. Have you already saw the movie The Three Idiots? Videos din, Bollywood sa India. So, alam na naman yan, yung mga tanga na tao, is parang ginaganon lang nila, di ba? Unlike the mga matalino is para superior talaga sila, hindi nila matas sila sa sarili nila. But in the end of the story, they were humbled by those three idiots. And yung isa ata yung bida na ginano siya, teacher ata siya, scientist. Yun yung ending doon. So that's how the culture in India. So ganun din sila. So that's how the influence of the story. So from our last group, we have give your answer. Sige lang, yung number 3.
Just to find the first yung ano po, parang grabe yung effort ng tatlong tao para mabuhay lang yung lion, then after that, parang walang magandang balos pa yung lion. Pinatay nila yung siguro video.
Okay. So, what does the final verse mean? So, like I said, kung gaano makakagaling, it makes sense. So, in the end of the day, mamatay ka pa rin. So, in this verse, the scholarship is less than sense. Therefore, seek intelligence. Senseless scholars in their pride, lead a lion, then they die. So, scholarship is less than sense. Pag wala kang senses, wala kang, ba tawag doon, wala kang decision making, wala kang tanga-tanga ka, kahit matalino ka, so, you will be led to consequences. So, that's why God created us first is what? Life and wisdom. Walang knowledge. Knowledge is created by the people. So, tayong nagawa ng knowledge sa sarili natin. So, meron din yan sa story sa Adam and Eva. So, okay lang din. Okay, class, before we end our lesson, I will be giving you a quiz, which is in a one-page sheet of paper, 5 items. For your assignment, for our agreement, you will be going to research about what is character and characterization. Ano difference nila? You understood? Yes, sir. So, that is our purpose for today. I hope you learned something. So, thank you everyone and see you around.